It's day 2 of the 2018 Glidewell Dental Symposium, and I'm here with Dr. Paresh Patel, who after a successful lecture yesterday on the main stage, you're here in your course. What is your course today?
It's going to be on the full arch zirconia workshop on the lower mandible. So we're going to talk to the doctors about placing 5 implants with a surgical guide and then learning how to restore that for a full arch prosthesis over the top of that, Megan.
And how has this symposium been so far? Is it different than the other events that you participate in?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I love the quick formats, rapid fire, 20 minutes, get the best of the best out of your mouth for everyone to hear. For me, the big point has been, it's exposed me to maybe 9 or other 10 areas of dentistry that I really didn't know too much about. The ones I really found fascinating, now I'm going to investigate to that a little bit deeper. The good thing about dealing with a company like Glidewell is that they have a lot of courses that support the 20-minute presentation. So now you can dig deeper with a 1 or 2 day full-on course about that topic.
And what do you think your attendees will get out of your course today? What are they gonna walk away with?
Well, at least I hope a few things for the full arch attendees today, that hopefully they understand that they can incorporate guided surgery into full arch dentistry, and hopefully they can understand that patients deserve and need this kind of treatment where they walk away with a conversion the day of implant placement.
Thank you so much, Dr. Patel. Have a great course.
Thank you.
Thank you.